Hello and welcome to the Crypto Classroom YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 2025 best crypto decentralized exchanges, and our focus here is Binance.com. Binance.com is the biggest crypto exchange platform in the world. It has tens of millions of users across the world. And the CEO is also a billionaire. Yeah, a renowned billionaire. So let's see what the Binance platform looks like. So the Binance platform has plenty of features, including but not limited to let's look at it. We have the product, they have the exchange, buy crypto, pay, academy, live, tax, gift card, launch pool, auto invest, ETH staking, NFT, BABT research charity. Businesses, they have P2P merchant application, P2 Pro merchant application, listing application. They have affiliates, a referral, BNB, OTC trading, historical data, historical market data, trading insight, proof of reserve, and all of that. So right here you have the spot, the margin, the P2P, convert and block trade, alpha, trading boards, crypto trading, APIs. For the futures, you have the USD M futures, coin M futures, and options. On the earn, you have the overview, simple earn, advanced earn, loans. On the square, you have the square, academy, learn and earn, blog, research. And on more, you have the VIP, institutional, affiliate, referral program, launch pool, mega drop, mining pool, travel rule, charity, BNB Chain, Binance wallet, fan token, and pay. Over here, you have the news, the BNB news, Binance news rather. Here they curate all types of news concerning the cryptocurrency. And the latest news here is the top crypto news and marketing sites. Bitcoin news today. Bitcoin could rally despite Fed holding rates. Market news. Fed holds interest rates steady amid rising risk. Arizona Senate approves Bitcoin reserve bill awaiting governor's consent. Bitcoin's April performance shows resilience amid economic uncertainty. Binance to launch Doodles trading on Alpha and futures. Binance market update, crypto market trends, May 7 and all of that. Bitcoin surpasses 97,000 USDT with a 3.01 increase in 24 hours. Bhutan launches world's first national crypto-powered tourism platform. Then Binance airdrops Polyhedra network tokens to eligible alpha holders, amongst others. And shortly also, the Fear and Greed Index, which is indicated always on the Bitcoin on the Binance platform, shows that there is a 67% greed in the system. And they're talking about most searched in the last 6 hours, layer token, OM token, and the BTC. Futures market, the trading, 62% are trading short for the Bitcoin, and in the last 1 hour, and the 37%, so 37.72% are for long. So more people are going for short in the last 1 hour. And that is that. What else do you have here? You have several stuff. You have the copy trading, you have trending articles, and all of that. So Binance is a guaranteed platform that you can use to trade your cryptocurrency. You can use to store cryptocurrency, you can also use to purchase cryptocurrency. So sign up on Binance and enjoy a world of a safe cryptocurrency. Thank you.